In the Advanced Duct version 4.12, the classic Fab Shop feature, formerly called Discounts and Markups, is now available and called Pricing Adjustments. Pricing adjustments are a set of discounts and or markups that can be applied to folders, which are for your customers, and jobs within those folders. Users with proper permissions can adjust the discounts or markups at the job level. The pricing adjustments will be applied to the item cost outside of takeoff. The pricing adjustments will be shown within the job file and reporting only. Let's get started with setting them up. To begin, click on Configuration and go to Central Options. On the Central Options tab, you'll see a new section called Pricing Adjustments. To start, check the box to allow pricing adjustments. Now click New Record and type in a name for your pricing adjustment. Using the Tab key, you can move through the boxes to put in the markup or discount. In this case, let's use a markup. 20% on all shape types. Enter in a note if desired, otherwise hit Save Changes. We can now see the new customer pricing adjustment has been added to our list. Continue to add a few more. After creating your pricing adjustments, it is important to set one as a default. In our case, I'll use New Customer as the default by right-clicking and set Default for New Customers. Now when a new customer folder is created, it will automatically get applied the new customer's pricing adjustment, which is a 20% markup on all shape types. Next, we need to determine where within the job file we wish to see the pricing adjustments. To do that, you need to go to the System tab. By default, when you enable pricing adjustments, the job costing display will have all of these options checked. Display the job cost section within the job file, show job cost adjustments, freight options, job status, assembled options, and default to assembled. And for the purpose of this video, since we are only talking about pricing adjustments, I'm going to uncheck all of the other options so that we can focus in on just the pricing adjustments. Hit Save Changes, and now go to your job file. Within the job file, you'll then see that the job costing sections have been added to the folder info, job info, and zone info window panes. Defaulting to new customers on any new folder created, and filling in the 20% markup that we established in the configuration window. When creating a new customer folder, by hitting New Folder, you'll then see that you have the Adjustment drop-down menu. Clicking on the Adjustment drop-down menu, you can switch to another pricing adjustment that you've created, and the percentages will be automatically filled in for you. If you wish to use a custom markup or discount, click the drop-down menu and select Custom, and then you can put in whatever value is desired for this customer folder. Name the customer folder and hit Create Folder at the bottom. You'll then see that that customer folder was created and the adjustments were set. Any new job created within this folder will now inherit the custom values. We'll start by giving it a name and hitting Create Job. We can see that it was carried over to this job. Create a zone, and the custom values are carried over to the zone as well. We will now select a plan file, which will automatically name the zone, and continue on into takeoff and accept a few items. After you've completed the takeoff and you return to the job file, you'll see that the 15 items equals a total of $1,878.79. This includes the 40% markup. If we look down into the job info, we can see that the takeoff job total was $1,328.80. Total adjusted was $1,860.31. This will conclude our walkthrough of setting up and using price adjustments in Advanced Duct version 4.1.2.